How to use gauze to purify the fat. Firstly, prepare a container for collecting pure fat. Next, cover certain patches of gauze on the top of the container. Inject the aspirated fat on the gauze slowly. Use the handle of the blade or the tweezer to stir the fat repeatedly. This motion will filter out the fluid in the aspirated fat. Then, transfer the pure fat into an empty 10 cc syringe. If fascia included, just cut it off for avoiding jamming while injecting the fat. Insert the plunger of the syringe and connect the syringe connector. Then, transfer the pure fat from a 10 cc syringe to a 1 cc syringe. Either you could transfer the pure fat without a plunger. Expel the air between the fat parcel by pushing and withdrawing the 10 cc and 1 cc syringe repeatedly. Lastly, the 1 cc syringe filled with pure fat is ready for use. Load the syringe filled with pure fat to MAFT-GUN.